Welcome to Eli Works. Today we're going to replace the sound deadening on the Model A. Original stuff was tar paper glued in the doors, up in the back middle, and maybe in the sides. I don't remember. I'd have to look at pictures. I already put one sheet in the back because I had to put a board in, but we're using this Amazon Basics sound deadening. It's beetle rubber with a thin aluminum restraining layer. It measures out at 1.6 millimeters, 62 mil if I did my math right. So we're gonna see how this does. I'm making this car seem less like a tin bucket. Let's see if we can get rid of some of that resonance. I wanted to put that wood brace in the back when I did some of the body work, so I already put one sheet in the back. But we're going to do the inside of these doors, the quarter panels in the back, probably around the window, and see if it gets see how much better things get. You don't really need 100% coverage. You know, this is probably more than you actually need just to cut the resonance out. It's not going to cut out all the road noise. That's not what this product's for. If you want more of the heat and road noise removed, they make a insulating layer. This is to cut down on that vibration. This is probably the cheapest product you can find, but I think it runs about middle of the pack for performance. Resinic, on their website, they have third-party testing. Their product blows everything out of the water, of course, but this Amazon stuff was right there with Killmat and some of the other ones, like at 10.5 decibels or something. So I think for the money, it's right mid-pack. Here's a small chunk of the material. To install it, you just clean the body with wax and grease remover, and then just take the paper off the back, expose the adhesive side, sticky, and then you apply that. I wish I would have got more of this installation on film, but I had two little helpers, so I didn't. Anyway, peel the paper off the back of the sound deadening material, stick it on after you clean all the substrate, and then you just roll it on. It takes forever, you know, get it pushed down tight. Rinse and repeat. After putting on the sound deadening, things are a lot better. You know, hopefully you can hear that on film. It's a lot more solid thud. Well, I think it was definitely worth it. Hopefully this film told you what you needed to know. Well, thanks for watching.